Join us Sunday at 10 a.m. and Wednesday at 7 p.m. as we come together in the house of God with Pastor Randy to explore God's Word. And remember, your presence is important. Did you know that the Bible has a code of conduct for us as Christians? In February on Sundays, we're going to get to know the code of the Conduct and Behavior series. Fear, depression, addiction. None of these things should rule your life. Lighthouse Recovery Group meets every Monday evening at 6 p.m. in the Patio Plaza, 2325 South San Jacinto Avenue, 951-468-5211, or see Pastor Raul or Chablis for more information. Also, on Monday nights, it's Power Prayer, meeting in the sanctuary at 6 p.m. with Diane Perron. The Lighthouse Keepers meet every Tuesday at 6 p.m. See Tony or Lisa or what is going on with them? It's always good. Our new Life and Membership class has already begun, meeting at 7 p.m. every Tuesday evening with teacher Eric Peretz. What's your next step? Come out for this class and find out. Get involved. This month, every Wednesday in February is going to be a special encounter at 7 p.m. with one of the Waymakers, 4 powerful young men from the ministry of Greenhouse who have gone on serving God in power and in grace. Our weekly home Bible studies take place every Friday night at 7:30 p.m. with Pastor Roland Chablis in East Hammond and Pastor Dave and Linda at Alejandro Torres House in San Jacinto. Soul Trust. Plug into the power. Friday at 7:30 p.m. at the church. See Eloy or Christina. Like I said, plug into the power. With M3 Men's Ministry, Uprise Your Discipleship. Saturday, February 16th at 8 a.m. with special guest Curtis David from FH San Bernardino. Free breakfast and the Word. Sisterhood meets February 21st at 7 p.m. A meeting of unity, purpose, and cause. And don't miss the Friendship Photo Reveal. Gentlemen, there are no excuses now with M3 Thursdays. Encourage, equip, enable, uprise, 7 p.m. with Pastor Randy at Crunch Gym. Women's Prayer now meets Tuesdays with Sister Christina Avila. Contact her for time and place. Who are the Watchmen? Well, there are ushers, of course, the guardians of God's house, our security. They keep watch over us and help us during services. Gentlemen, this is an excellent time for you to get involved and become a watchman. We are Freedom House. Uprise 2013. Enabled.